Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access the Speaker Spotlight tool, which allows you to enable your webcam so that your audience can see your image while you are presenting your Google slide deck. This is a new feature. If you go under Insert, find Speaker Spotlight. And on the right, you get to choose the shape for the frame. I'll use this one. And what this will do is if I go to Slideshow, right, I can present and my camera's on. All right. If I exit out of that and I right click to see the menu, cut, copy, paste, this feature right here, add shape to all slides. Why is that important? Let me show you why it is important. If I go to a different slide and I go to Slideshow, even though the tool is enabled, it's only enabled on that one slide. If I want that to stay, I have to select it and then click on Add Shape to All Slides, and now it's on, and then when I get to the next slide, it's on again. So if you want it to always be there when you're presenting, you need to add it to all the slides. Otherwise, it only adds it to the one slide that you add it to. If you want to get rid of it, you can just click on it and delete it. But what a nice new feature that they've added to Google Slides. Kind of really neat. Just saw that today. Thought I would make a video on it. And that's how you can use it.